There is a foster care crisis in Arkansas. Last year, nearly 4,400 children were in the state's care. Thanks for joining us today at 5 I'm Bob Clausen.
And I'm Laura Monteverdi. Good evening. The pandemic only made things worse as there are more kids in the system than there are foster homes. Our Cassandra Webb joining us live from the state capitol, and she explains why the need is so great and how you can help. Cassandra.
Laura, well, the pandemic made it worse because more and more children found themselves in the system, but more foster homes were closing their doors for health and safety reasons. The need now so great that even Governor Hutchinson addressed it today. Here's with the call, gather for a pep talk from the governor.
Stay in there, recruit others, encourage others, and that's how you make a difference, not just for one generation, for many different generations.
Who thank the foster care parents and volunteers for their service during an especially challenging year.
During the season of COVID, we've seen an additional number of children who have come into care, and they're stressing the system.
Pulaski County was hit the hardest during the pandemic.
Pulaski County has 680 kids in foster care just in Pulaski. That's the most in the entire state.
That's why the call is calling on Arkansans to step up to help. People like Tanya Ross, who's fostered more than 80 children and says the system is busting at the seams.
Just today, I've gotten several text messages from counties all over the state looking for homes for children.
Dennis Berry has fostered about 90 children in Garland County and has no plans to stop anytime soon.
In our county, there's almost 200 kids in foster care. There's only 40-some homes. There's not enough homes, and so we can't say no.
He says he gets 2 or 3 calls a day
asking if we can keep a child just for one night even, and so we can't stop because there's such a great need.
Now, Tanya understands people may be afraid to foster because they'll get too attached to the kids. But she says that's kind of the point.
They need that attachment. They need someone to love them and care for them unconditionally. We have a little one that we're fostering right now, and when he leaves our home, it's going to break my heart. That's okay, because my heart will heal.
With the need much greater now than it's ever been, their hope at the call is that more people will answer the call to care for the little ones in Arkansas who cannot care for themselves. Now, the reason most children are in the foster care system in Arkansas is because of neglect or parent-guardian substance abuse. So if you would like to learn how to become a foster parent in Arkansas, we have all of that information on our website, KARK.com. Reporting live in Little Rock, I'm Cassandra Webb. Back to you.